Welcome back to Talk of the Town. We're joined by one of our news partners, Coastal Discovery Museum. Robin Swift, always good to have you here.
Great. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
It's fall.
I know it. Finally, a little break in the temperature.
Yeah, nice.
Perfect time to be outside at the Coastal Discovery Museum.
You got it.
Check things out there. But you'll have a lecture series. Tell us a little bit about it.
It's really exciting. We used to do this just once a week and have lectures on different subjects. And then we said, you know what? So many people visiting the island want to learn about the island.
Yes.
Let's go to twice a week. So that's what we're doing starting in October, and we're excited about it.
You know, there's been some studies done on that people, when they take a vacation, they want to learn, they want something immersive, they want to know about their environment. Perfect opportunity to do this with the lecture series. Yeah. Who's coming? What do we got?
Oh, it's really fun. If you want to learn about whales, if you want to learn about bats, if you want to learn about recycling oyster shells, which we do, those are just a few of what we've got going on. We try to change it up every year because there are a lot of repeat visitors that come, and we want them to come out and enjoy all the different subjects. You got it, right. Doing a little bit different this year. We've got some book signings of local authors and subjects, and they'll do a presentation.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
What can you expect at a presentation?
Well, the presentation, they're going to talk about what inspired them. There's a great mother and daughter, the Smith family, that came here, and the husband worked for Mr. Frazier to help develop sea pines.
Oh, wow.
And they're still here. They've been here all these years, and the mother is just a total Nell Smith kick. She's just wonderful. And so she's going to tell about her book, but also some of the other stories, kind of the stuff you got it, the stuff you don't hear about.
Really
so that's going to be a real fun one.
Yeah, absolutely. And so how many of them are there going to be?
Oh my goodness, there's 2 a week, October, November, and December, and then we're going to go into January.
Wonderful.
So there's quite a few.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And so is there a cost associated? Do you need to be a member? Tell us a little bit about that.
No, it's $7 per person.
It's so reasonable.
It's right, exactly. Our challenge is there's limited seating. The room where we do them can take 70 people, so it's the first 70 people that call, book the reservation, and pay in advance.
Yeah.
And some do sell out. You know, real popular topics just boom, they sell out real fast.
Well, sure. I mean, there's always so much to learn here. And we just get the coolest people who come into town, these experts, you know, who can just share so much and just feed those
Well, like the
hungry
lady
brains.
that comes to talk about bats, she brings bats with her.
Oh, how cool.
And they're rescue bats, and people are like, oh, bats, but bats are really beautiful, beautiful creatures.
Beautiful.
And so you actually get to see a bat and learn about bats, and that's what's so great. And then we all just think, oh, it's oyster shells, let's just toss them someplace. People don't understand how important the recycling.
Essential.
Yeah, it is essential.
Yeah,
it is essential.
Absolutely essential. And bats, they're such magical little creatures.
Yes, aren't they?
They do so much, and to understand, they just kind of quietly operate and do their thing.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, and so the best way, just go online and take care of this?
Go online, and you can go online, it'll say Walks and Talks, it'll say Discovery Lecture Series, and you can see the whole year posted there, and it'll say register here. And it's just push a button, put your credit card in, and it's very simple.
Simple, easy.
Yeah, exactly.
And so it's a great way to support the museum.
Exactly, it is. And it gives people an opportunity to come out to the museum because our gallery's always changing. We're getting ready to have a new exhibit come in the gallery. So depending when you come, there's something new to see in the gallery as well.
New. Yeah, exactly. So what's coming?
Oh, it's so exciting. It's quilters of the Low Country, but it isn't like just a quilt that your mother would have or your grandmother would have. It's actual art. You would look at it and say, oh, look at that shrimp boat. That's so gorgeous. Is that oil or pastel? It's quilted, and it's all stitched and everything, and it's stunning. It's absolutely stunning.
Is it a Low Country organization?
Yes,
or is there's a big quilter society.
Well,
here, right?
there's 3 women and a guy that do it, and they're just great. And a lot of them are self-taught. And I mean, can you imagine the intricacy of having to do all of it?
Yeah.
And so they're going to be there starting September 23rd. So we're really excited about
You guys
them.
always have the coolest stuff at the gift shop too.
We try to. We try to have it related, like any of the lectures that come, and they have a book. We'll have that book in the gift shop, so you can get it signed and have it. And anything that correlates to the Low Country, we try to always have in there.
Absolutely, and I think that's one of the most exciting parts of the lecture series, of somebody with a book, and the story behind the book, get it signed right there in person, handed over to them. I mean, that's really special.
You got it.
You know, they really leave something behind. You know,
Exactly.
we're not here forever.
No,
you know?
no.
May as well learn as much as you can while you're here. Anything else coming up that you're excited about?
In October, we've got 2 festivals. We've got the Chili Cook-Off coming, and they're combining it this year with the Jeep Festival. So you're going to have the Jeeps on display and the Chili Cook-Off, Jeep World and Chili Cook-Off. And then right after that is the Italian Heritage Festival. So October, the perfect month, as we all
Booming.
know, for festivals. Will be both in October.
Time to be outside.
Yeah, we're excited.
Robin Swift, Coastal Discovery Museum. Always so good to have you here.
Thank you very much.
Thanks so much for being with us here at Talk of the Town. I'm Carrie Dillon, and we will see you next time.